Hi guys, I'm back. This is Corrine, your licensed real estate salesperson. And today in my house chica, I will be discussing about fear. Fear of being disapproved in your housing loan. So of course, to know more, continue watching this video and of course, don't forget to click subscribe. Apply for a Pag-ibig or bank housing loan and you have worries, doubts if you will be approved. So in this video, I'll be discussing the 5 reasons why people are disapproved in their housing loan application. So first is required income. Required income, it's the responsibility of the agent, broker, or the developer to inform the investor what how much is the required income of the house. So for example, how to compute that is it's the monthly amortization, bank or Pag-ibig amortization divided by 0.3 or 0.35, I'm not sure. And equivalent to that is the required income of the house or the condo or lot or any property. Okay, and of course, together with the required income, we will also consider the age. Okay, so if you are still qualified for the 30 years, 20 years limit for the bank or Pag-ibig. And then second is the marital status. Okay, we have clients nga malagi they will declare a single. However, if their Pag-ibig or if checked in their Pag-ibig, it's married. Or if the developer or the Pag-ibig or bank, they will be requesting certificate of no marriage and the client won't be able to provide. So yun, it can be one of the reasons of disapproval of the housing loan. And of course, if you are married, of course, provide lang tag marriage certificate. And of course, for married po na mga applicants, combined in your required income. And then of course, if you are legally separated, so of course, provide a supporting docs for that. Okay? And then the third is Pag-ibig contribution. So if you'll be applying in Pag-ibig, you should have minimum of 2 years contribution. So there are clients that are required na mag lump sum payment in Pag-ibig so that they can be able to meet the 2 years minimum required contribution. However, in bank, no need for contribution and no need for existing account. What's important is that a specific bank is accredited in that developer where you will be investing, so they should be accredited, and then you can be able to provide requirements, the income doc. So to know more about the housing loan requirements, check my previous video. I will put in the description box below the corresponding link of that video. Okay, fourth is, of course, very important, cannot comply the requirements. Or there are clients na, oh Corrine, I don't have time to comply the requirements. Well, I am very sorry. If you don't have time to comply the requirements, it would be best if ayaw na lang. Of course, but your agent or broker will help you out in your requirements. So don't worry. But of course, if you're really interested in investing, of course, invest not only money, but of course, invest time in complying with requirements because you will be borrowing money in an institution. So you really need to prove to them that you can be able to pay for your corresponding loan. Okay. And then fifth, last but not the least is yun, kanang unpaid na loan. Okay? You have bad credit. Very, very bad. Even in Pag-ibig, if you have an existing Pag-ibig loan or sa salary loan pa na sa Pag-ibig, kasi pa ng mga other loan classification sa Pag-ibig, if you have unpaid, like delayed by mo payment and all, that can also be one of the reason na dili ma-approve. Or for bank, yun, credit cards. So mga credit card lovers diha. So credit card is koan. If you have unpaid credit card, so please settle it before you will be applying for a bank housing loan. And again, going back to Pag-ibig, if you also have a kanang record nga na foreclosed ang house under your name, yun, dili pud ka pwede ana for approval of housing loan application. So okay, so any questions, drop your comment below. And then yun, in my own opinion or advice, ano yun, go for investment. Not just, I'm not saying this as a real estate agent, but as an investor as well. It's really nice to invest because in real estate, you will never go wrong with real estate. Kay mag-appreciate yun ang ilahang value. 5 years, 10 years from now, it can double your money. Some people will say nga, the interest is so high. But actually, the interest is worth it because your loan, the real estate value is growing. It's growing. So yun, there's no problem in applying for a housing loan. What's important, before the reservation, you're well informed of the corresponding requirements, required income, and then of course, computation. Make sure you are well knowledgeable, well explained with the corresponding computation of the house. So I think that's all. I have been able to tackle everything. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe. And when's the best time to invest? It's now. Bye.